Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about NIO. We have a price prediction already here on our chart, to which we were looking for price to go down in NIO, and initially did. The next day, price in NIO did go lower. It went ahead and came and supported our pocket of buying, and price has lifted ever so slightly higher. Okay. So today we're going to try to figure out if that's still the case, because the overall trend in NIO is still bullish. And I think I addressed that on our video the last time that we talked about NIO. So buckle in. I'm going to go ahead and talk about what we're seeing off the chart to get ahead of the competition, to ensure that we are better able to analyze, better able to profit from market moves without any confusion. All right. So check this out. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, subscribe as well, as we break down what's going on behind these price bars, right? So now, really, I wanted to talk to you all about what's been going on these days. This one, and this one, okay? These 3 days is saying a lot to me. It's definitely saying that someone in NIO has stock that they're trying to relinquish, get up off of around $7.25 or so. They don't want to hold the stock there. They're selling it right there. And it's been 3 days. How do I know that it's selling, you may be asking? Because the market goes higher and then it closes at the bottom of the bar. That is selling. Don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. And when you see these 3 days right next to a sell pocket that we created, that confirms it even the more. Okay. So whoever sold NIO right here on the 13th of October, that person is still selling now. The market ended down today almost 2% in NIO. But if we look at NIO on different time frames, let's go ahead and do that. Here it is on the 2. Okay, so this is the final conclusion of what the 2-day time frame did for NIO. The buyers didn't win. The sellers won. The market closed at the bottom of the bar. You can use a price bar as a gauge, like a tug of war between buyers and sellers, and the close is that rope that they use to tug price. Okay. So throughout the last 2 days, the market was going up and down this 2-day price bar, but it closed at the bottom, letting you know that sellers won. Okay. Let's look at this on 3 then. Here it is on the 3. You can tell here, sellers are winning. Here it is on the 4. Sellers are winning, right? Here it is on the 5. Sellers are winning. Weekly chart, we have 20 hours. And if we see this market close on the weekly time frame at the bottom of the bar, sellers are winning. Okay. Now, I think we got the gist of who's winning in the market right now in NIO, but let's see how much are they winning by. Okay. Because like I told you, this stock on a daily chart is still trending. So generally, this duration of gain between buyers and sellers is definitely being won by the buyers, because this trend has been in place since July. So if every inning, sellers are coming in and trying to impact the buyers. So like right now, the sellers are currently winning the round, but they're not winning the game. The buyers are winning the game. Sellers are not. Now, just because when I see this, yes, there's sellers here in NIO. I get it, right? But are they really doing a good job of moving the price? To me, I would say no. I mean, even here on the 11-hour chart, this area right here will be a buy pocket. Okay. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. You should be able to see that even better. That this market is being maintained still by buyers in NIO. Even at all of the selling that occurred, this market is being held up at $7 by somebody that is trying to hold and buy this stock. See that? Here it is on the 1 hour. You can't tell me that this market is being supported by somebody when it bounces right at the buy pocket. Okay. So that's a good thing to see if you're a buyer. Okay. Now, the only problem though is that you don't know if they're truly that motivated to really take this price and break it through that $7.25 sell pocket though. We don't know that yet. Okay. That we don't know. So let's go back. And I think initially the market in NIO could go down in the first part, but we have like 3 areas of pockets to where the buyers can catch price from falling any further, right? And let me look at this on the monthly chart. Okay, so yeah, we kind of topped out already for the month of October. This is a probable precursor to strength for the month of October. It simply means that in November, we need to see NIO close higher than October's price bar, okay? So this kind of has me wanting to sit the sideline. I think price wants to go higher, but I'm not truly convinced that it's ready to like break out. But let's go ahead. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get rid of this prediction. When the market opened after we did our price prediction in NIO, 7.78%. The next day would have garnered 4%. The next day after that would have garnered like 0.75%. All right. Now we are going to look for the stock to go up in NIO. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to look forward to eventually try to take out this sell pocket up here. It was like $7.45 to $7.55, 7.7% there, all the way back up here and test this other sell pocket at $7.87, 12.27% right there. All right, so we'll do that and we'll see how motivated these buyers really are. Thank you all. It is your turn. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different,